AutoFry, the leader in ventless deep frying technology.
Here at Clix, we've never had a kitchen, and what we found is that the AutoFry, being a self-contained unit, didn't require the installation of a vent hood, all the safety monitoring systems. It's fully contained. The AutoFry has really opened up our opportunity to make food a predominant sales item here at Clix Billiards.
Totally 100% satisfied that we now have an AutoFry machine that is easy to operate, easy to maintain. It's been a very reliable piece of equipment.
I can't tell you how much it has helped my business and has made money for me. And without the AutoFry, there's nothing I could have used. I would have just been lost business.
It's just a very safe machine. The food is put in through a separate door and it comes out through a separate area that the employee is never in touch with any hot oil at all. So it is very safe. And the ease, I can teach an employee in 20 minutes how to operate the AutoFry.
AutoFry, it's fantastic. I'm glad that we did invest into it. It's an investment that was going to return a profit tenfold within the first year.
AutoFry, the only ventless, fully enclosed, and automated deep fryer available today, is frying delicious hot appetizers across the country. From pizzerias and lounges to snack bars, convenience stores, and more, business owners everywhere can take advantage of AutoFry's innovative design, safety, affordability, and performance. The result is sizzling profits, no matter what business you're in, where you're located, or what volume of sales you do. With 23 locations across the country, Clix Billiards serves up fun, foosball, and billiards in a sports bar atmosphere every day. The game of billiards is the biggest draw at Clix CASSELBERRY, Florida location, followed closely by a new food menu, recently introduced thanks to AutoFry's quick, no-hassle installation.
The AutoFry was really easy to install here at Clix Billiards. When the installation was put in, we didn't have to do any modifications to the existing building. The system was up and running in 2 hours. We were serving food that night when we brought it in.
We all go? You?
We doubled our menu, doubled our food sales. And I like being able to eat where I work.
Food here at Clix is great.
Located in Bethany Beach, Delaware, Shorebreak offers French fries, mozzarella sticks, and chicken fingers to locals and tourists alike. 3 AutoFry units have enabled the beachfront business to give customers what they want to eat when they want it.
We couldn't get a regular hood system in here because we would have to tear out the other room up there. And we wanted to keep that room, so we had to go with a self-contained unit. The AutoFry was perfect for what I wanted. It allows me to have more equipment in my place, which is always important because the more equipment, the more products, and more products, the more money.
We'll definitely come back here again.
Before AutoFry, the Dairy Queen on University Hill in Boulder, Colorado, had to turn away fried food orders from many University of Colorado students who stopped by. Now with AutoFry easily installed and up and running, students are eating French fries and more, and business is better than ever.
The AutoFry worked well for my existing location, primarily because of the ease of installation. Here was a piece of equipment that could set on a counter. I could wire it up and it was ready to go. We plugged it in, we made French fries from day one, onion rings, and since then we've expanded to many other products.
We try to make fries as good as in Australia, but it just doesn't work.
3 years ago, Bay Airport Shell converted from an auto repair shop to a food mart operation. Now, Bay Airport Shell isn't simply the last stop before the Oakland Airport. It's also the first stop for delicious hot appetizers, due in large part to the convenience and affordability of AutoFry.
If you get into the food business where you're operating fryers and this sort of thing, you have to have a certain ventilation system. And the health department, in fact, when we first put this in, they came out and said, hey, you can't do this because you have to have a certain this and this and this. And of course we brought out the brochure and showed where it was totally vented internally, and once he read the specifications, the health department was very pleased with what we had. And that is quite a savings. In fact, you don't have to go through major construction to put it in.
The Crew Orleans Lounge in scenic, tourist-filled Portsmouth, New Hampshire, faced stiff competition from the city's other 144 bars and restaurants. Located on the bottom floor of the Sheraton Hotel, the lounge needed to add popular food items that would increase its early evening customer base. AutoFry delivered by providing hot appetizers without installing an expensive hood system.
The appetizers, that's one of the main reasons why we never had appetizers here, is because our kitchen was so small downstairs and we had no way to vent it to the outside. So we looked around, we got a hold of the AutoFry people and had them come in, showed us everything, and since we put this thing in, it's been just awesome. We've had a major turnaround in our food business downstairs.
We always get appetizers and stuff mostly, and it's really good. I would recommend it definitely.